Let's move toward the object. So when we are talking about the object, the question arises in our mind is what is objects? So according to the definition, an object is an instance of a class. It is real world entity such as students, dog, laptop, which has some properties and behavior. So according to object definition, an object is an instance of a class. It is a real world entity such as a student like Ramesh, Dinesh, Suresh, Mike, Bob, or dog like Tommy, Jack, Leopard, or a laptop like Lenovo, Dell, etc., which has some properties and behavior. Object allocate memory when it is created. So friends, here under the definition of object there are few important keywords, like in first line, object is an instance. So it is very important. Object is also known as an instance of that class where it is created. So basically each and every object acquire the properties and behavior of their class. That's why we call an object is an instance or event of that particular class. Object is a real world entity. Its existence is a real. So whenever an object is created from a class, it allocate a memory and it has some property and behavior, and its property and behavior is taken from their class. So let's take an example for more clarification. Again, same example we are taking here, class of a student. So the student class contains some properties and some behavior, and now we are going to create an object from that particular class. So let's our first object number 1. This is the object number 1 which is created from this particular student class. So this is a student. This is a student, and this student contains its name, its age, its address, and its gender. So its property is its name is Ramesh, its age is 10 years, its gender is male, and its address is Lucknow. So this is the first object which has some properties value. So these values are stored inside the memory. That's why we call an object allocate a memory whenever it is created. But in case of class, it doesn't allocate memory. Why? It is just a blueprint. It is just a blueprint. It doesn't have a real existence. Again, what are the behaviors of this student? Behavior, he is playing. So this is object 1 and which has these properties and behavior. Similarly, we can create another object number 2. Now let's check what are the property and behavior. So yes, again his name is Abhishek, age 20 years, gender male, and address is Delhi. So what are the actions? Yes, he is studying. So again these are the values of this particular object which allocate some memory inside the system. Again, now the third object, again its property, name is Ramesh, age is 15, gender male, and address is Bangalore. So again, action means behavior is eating, so is eating. So now you can compare first and third object. Its name is same, means both object is not a same object. Name is same but his age different and address is different. So these are both are the different object. So friends, we can create any number of object from any particular class by changing their properties or behavior. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Friends, thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press bell icon to get the latest video notification.